A petition now seeking a stay on the investigation by the SIT against Modi has been dismissed in the Gujarat High Court. Basically, now what it really means is that the SIT can go ahead, call Modi and the others for questioning in connection with the Jaffrey petition that was filed a few days ago. In fact, remember, Justice Waghela and the Gujarat High Court only yesterday reserved orders till Friday on a petition filed by the former BJP member of the Assembly seeking to prevent the Supreme Court SIT from summoning or questioning Chief Minister Narendra Modi and 62 others in the 2002 communal riots case. And this petition has been dismissed, which means that the SIT now has the right to call Modi and the 62 others accused in the 2002 communal riots case for further questioning. Abhishek is now with us on the phone line. Abhishek, clearly there is only now more trouble for Modi and the other accused in the case.
Well, actually, Harish, what happens is that the SIT has a free hand now to go ahead with its investigation or questioning of all the accused, 63 accused. That includes Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi. So obviously, if the SIT decide that they need to question Narendra Modi and they have to call him, yes, some kind of political embarrassment as also legal troubles for the Gujarat Chief Minister ahead. Now, the fact is that the Supreme Court had instructed the SIT to go ahead and look into the petition of Zakia Jaffrey. She's the wife of slain former Congress MP Ehsan Jaffrey. And in that petition, Modi was named along with 62 others. And that included his that time's cabinet colleagues as also officials from the administration as well as top police dome. So obviously, if it happens, if the SIT goes ahead with its investigation and decides to call Narendra Modi as also any of those 62 other accused that have been named by Zakia Jaffrey in her petition, it would obviously cause a lot of political embarrassment as also legal troubles for the Gujarat officialdom as also the Gujarat CM ahead in some time.
Now, what is the status of the investigation process, Abhishek? Would you have any idea? Also, can you give some clarity if an FIR has been registered by the with the police by Ms. Jaffrey? I mean, will it just be restricted to the SIT calling upon Narendra Modi for investigation? How are things expected to pan out?
Well, Harish, actually, that was the technicality on which the Kalubhai Maliwad petition was banking upon. That what Zakia Jaffrey has done is petitioned the SIT, the Nanavati Commission, as also the Supreme Court, but there is no specific FIR which names all these people. But the fact that the Gujarat High Court had dismissed this plea actually means that this mere technicality of not having an FIR does not really have much of an impact now. So obviously, so far as the legal process or the police investigation process is concerned, it's a clean chip, it's a free hand for the SIT now. Now, so far as the status of these cases is concerned, now there is this petition which was submitted by Zakia Jaffrey to the Supreme Court and to the SIT, and the Supreme Court had then asked the SIT to look into it on April 27th. Now, what our sources tell us is that the Supreme Court has given 3 months' time to SIT to look into this Zakia Jaffrey petition. But the fact is the 3 months period is nearing an end, and we are told by our sources in the SIT that it's likely that SIT might seek a further extension of time before it gives a complete report on this Zakia Jaffrey petition. So obviously, a lot of things ahead for the SIT, including the possibility of seeking an extension of time from the Supreme Court itself, Harish.